Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 pretty common reasons why your sum function might not be working. So as you can see in this first table here, I just have 4 cells which have some sales numbers. And this is the sum function, just taking these 4 cells, and it should be adding them together. However, as you can see, we're actually getting the total of 0. So a common reason why this might be happening is because these 4 cells are actually formatted as numbers. Now, these apostrophes force the number to be formatted as text. However, you also want to double check that here they're set to number. So just hit OK. And now delete the apostrophe. As you can see, now it's no longer on the left side, it's on the right side. It means it's working. Do this one, and this one. And as you can see, there we are, it's worked. Now for our second one, I have just this very small simple table again with month, category and amount, and I have hardware and software purchases for each month. Now this is the total, 6,950 using sum, and that's just the total of all these values. Now if I wanted to filter and get rid of the hardware and only show us the software, as you can see here, this total number hasn't changed. As you can see, the total should actually be 2,400, but this isn't actually calculating the total after the filters. So the way we fix this is by changing this back. Now, instead of using sum, we actually want to use subtotal. Now, the first one here is function number. Now, what we want to use is 9. This actually means we're taking the sum, add a comma, and we're taking it of these cells. Close the bracket, and as you can see, the total has come back again. Now once we add the filter and say remove hardware, as you can see, it actually updates to the correct total that we want. Now for the third potential error, as you can see, we just have these 4 values, $500, $350, etc. and they're returning actually 0. Now we're using the sum function again, but the reason this is actually coming as 0 is because we're trying to sum itself. We've included B8, which is where our function actually lives, and that's why it's not working. Now this isn't as common for potentially someone with a bit more experience or the like, but if you have a large spreadsheet, maybe it's a little bit messy, maybe you just made a bit of oversight, this could actually occur and this could be a problem. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. Hopefully it potentially fixed some of your problems or just shown some light on it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see in the next one. See ya.